Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to cut this abaya dress. It's a cut together with sleeve. So without further ado, let's get right to the video. So this is the material I'll be using for the tutorial. I have 2 yards of plain crepe and 2 yards of the flower material. The flower material, you can make use of a yard because I want to use it for other things. That's why I bought 2 yards. So the first thing I did was to fold my fabric into 4. The whole of the 2 yard, I folded it into 4. Here is a paper illustration of how I folded it. I folded twice like this and I folded again, that's into 4. So let's impute our neck measurement. So for the neck width, I made use of 3.5 inches. Then for the back neck depth, I made use of 2 inches. Then for the front, I made use of 4 inches. Just make sure the neck measurement is wide enough to enter the person's head because the dress is not going to have a zipper. So after that, I'll connect my points together using my armhole curve. After connecting, this is how it looks like. You can see the back measurements and the front neck as well. So after that, I'll come down by 8.5 inches for my armhole. I got the 8.5 inches using the client's bust point measurement. Remember, it's not going to have a zipper and it's not going to have an armhole curve. It's a cut together. So it needs to be free so it can enter the client. So after that, I rule it with a straight ruler. So on the line, I'll impute my bust measurement. My bust measurement divided by 4 gave me 7.5 inches plus extra 1 inches for ease and another 1 inches for sewing allowance. You can see. Then I'm just going to give it a little curve there and connect the line all the way to the hem of the dress using a long ruler. So before cutting out, I came to the edge. I came down by 1 inch for our shoulder slants. Then I'm going to use a ruler to connect it back to the neck width. That was what I was supposed to do after measuring the neck. After imputing the neck measurement, but I forgot. So after that, I'm just going to cut it out. So I'll cut out starting with the back neck measurement. Please don't cut out the front neck measurement. So this is how it looks like. So after cutting out, I'll just remove the back piece and cut out the front neck. You can see. So after that, we are done with the dress. This is how it looks like. So for the sewing aspect, I joined the 2 shoulders together using half of an inch before using a bias tape to tape the neck round. You can decide to tape your neck using a bias tape first before joining the shoulder, but this is how I like doing mine, and this is how it looks like, and I ironed it already. Look at how it looks. Then on that sleeve aspect, I measured the width, which gave me 7.5 inches, so I can use it to cut the other parts of the sleeve. And this is it. I have already cut it out. So I have my 2, because it's 2 sleeve. I cut out 2 already. So this is it. So the length is going to be the complete part of your sleeve, which my own is 11 inches, while the width I have 7.5 inches. So I'll bring in my dress and join it together using ½ inch. After stitching, this is how it looks like. We are almost done with this dress. This is how it looks like. You can see, make sure you open your seams while sewing. You can see how my own is neat and balanced. So the next thing we are going to do now is just to fold our dress into 2 and join it together. I'm going to join mine with 1 inch. Depends on the allowance you added. I added 1 inch to mine, so that's what I'm going to use to stitch all the way to the hem of the dress. And I have already done that, as you can see. So you can see at the curve area, I gave it a little notch so it can balance. Make sure you do yours the same as well. So after that, I'm just going to hem the down of the dress, give it a little hem, and we are done with our tutorial. So this is how it looks like after turning it to the outside. Just make sure you iron it properly, and this is the final look. Look at how beautiful it is looking. You can see the remaining yard of the flowered material. I use it as veil. Yes, you can see. If you find this video helpful, make sure you click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you share my videos as well. Bye.